Well, I promised my painting friends something exciting with this lesson. I know it's not Hollywood, but I do get excited when I'm painting something in a loose and expressive style and it's spontaneous. Recently, I've been working with some really beautiful canvases, and I decided I'm going to paint something loose, spontaneous. It is not based on a specific reference, but is simply ideas I had about a landscape scene. And I put some colors down on the palette, got a few big brushes out, and just painted away. When you get into this sort of mood and you simply feeling the painting, it just sort of happens. And it's kind of like taking everything you've learned and all of those lessons and step-by-step things and just putting it into practice. Just letting go and painting. Lights, darks, bright colors, shapes, straightforward, not defining the shapes, really loose. Just getting those basics, lights and darks, warms and cools, working and get them down. In this demonstration, I finished this painting in about 30 minutes, maybe a bit more, but I didn't come back and keep working it and keep working it. It was something that just turned out that I could just leave it as it is, and no matter what anyone thinks of it, in the end, I know that I had a great time painting it. And it is the sort of painting that I really love to do. And I often get this sort of opportunity when painting outdoors, when I simply have no choice but to go for it. You can do this in the studio as well. It's just get a feeling, get an idea, and use a large brush, just paint. So I hope you enjoy this demonstration. As I said, there's no reference to work from. This is purely an imaginary scene, but it is strongly based on ones that I've done recently. So you don't have to feel lost in that respect. Get ideas and put something together, but simply focusing on painting quickly, painting intuitively, and going for those strong elements that you've been working on in this course. So I hope you have fun, and if you're happy with your painting, share a picture with me or let me know how it went.